I'm Elaine McLeod, a true-born Jamaican. I was trained in England as a nurse. I came to the U.S., but my roots in Jamaica. I am at the moment, I'm with the Jamaica Nurses Association and naming all organization for improvement in my country, Jamaica. I will contribute to them. So that's my reason I'm here tonight to support the JAHF. I'm delighted and I'll always support them, monetary or whatever the cause is for my country.
It's very important for everyone in the diaspora to give back a little of what they earn to Jamaica, especially needy folks that's in Jamaica. I support JAHJAH Foundation for the simple reason of his enthusiasm and what he's doing for the people in Jamaica, the poor class, the hospital, so it can help enhance the country better. Those who are here should be able to give us even at $10 monthly towards the foundation will be good. It can even move forward the country a little better with the help in the people in the healthcare system.
Hi, my name is Marcel Richards Mitchell. I'm currently on vacation in New York from Jamaica, and I'm here supporting JAHJAH Foundation because of the tremendous help it is giving to healthcare in Jamaica. Our healthcare system, though on its way up, really needs the tremendous push that this organization is lending to it. I can speak from the perspective where my daughter was diagnosed with chronic kidney disease and had to come to New York for treatment. She's currently in New York. And I'm saying that when you have organizations like this who are putting back into Jamaica because they are really based, people who are based from Jamaica, it is something that is going to see us propelling ourselves forward, and all the help that we get will tremendously help in healthcare and ensure that our system goes up to top par. Because you know, in Jamaica we strive to be #1, and with JAHJAH Foundation we definitely will get there. Thank you.
The name is Rasclem with Groovin Radio, Groovin in the Park. I'm here today in Brooklyn at 525 Waverly Avenue at the JAHJAH Foundation. I think it's a summer event, but I'm here basically supporting, like many Jamaicans or all Jamaicans should do, Jamaicans here in the diaspora giving back to Jamaica. I think the mission that the JAHJAH Foundation is on is a great mission, and a lot more people need to be aware of what JAHJAH Foundation has been doing and continue to do as they take their hard work and support from the diaspora down to Jamaica to support Jamaicans on the ground in Jamaica. It's a great mission, and that's why I'm here, Rasclem with Groovin Radio and Groovin in the Park.
Hi, we're here in Brooklyn celebrating the JAHJAH Foundation, who's doing so many wonderful things on the island of Jamaica. I've been with them twice now, and every time we go, there are more wonderful things going on. We're helping the youth, we're helping the community, the education system, the hospitals. It's a great organization. Please come out and support us, and we're growing every single year. It's a wonderful foundation.
We can assure you that your money is well spent. So always come out and support JAHJAH Foundation.
Hi, my name is Denise. I work with Dr. Dixon at the hospital, and I support the JAHJAH Foundation because I know how much he does for healthcare in Jamaica. I know how important his mission is, and I know he's making a big difference in the lives of everybody in Jamaica. And this is definitely one of my favorite organizations. And he's really a good person, and he's helping children, the elderly, everybody. And I really appreciate what he's doing for the country.
Hi, my name is Garfield Willis. I'm supporting JAHJAH Foundation because of the work they do in Jamaica. Supporting the various communities and health facilities, which is a good thing because we all know that they can use all the help that they can get. So I'm very proud to be a supporter, and I hope the event is successful.
My name is Andrea, and I'm here this evening to support JAHJAH Foundation because I see what type of work they've been doing over the past couple of years. Giving back to Jamaica is what JAHJAH is all about. And he really demonstrates that with the outreach he's been doing for the past couple of years. you can see his work in the videos and the reward on the people's faces that he's affected. And I'm hoping that more people come out and support him, because this is going to go way into the future. He's doing an excellent job, and more people should know about this.
Hi, my name is Saran, and I'm here supporting JAHJAH Foundation at the event, the annual event that is. And it is important to support JAHJAH Foundation because it is also important to give back to a country that is more in need. And if you want to give back to Jamaica, you should support to JAHJAH Foundation.
Hi, I'm Claudette Powell. I'm a nurse. I wear several hats, but tonight I'll identify myself as the Vice President of the Jamaican Nurses Group of New York, which is the oldest Caribbean nursing organization in the United States. And I'm here also as co-chair of the Jamaica Diaspora Health Sector. And with this is one of the reasons I'm here to support JAHJAH Foundation. I met Dr. Dixon, I would say maybe 3 to 4 years now. And I have to tell you, my role as co-chair of the Jamaican Diaspora Health Sector, I support all the groups and all the people who are helping Jamaica. But I am a little bit biased. There are almost 200 groups going to do medical missions. And 2 of my favorite groups, we have Dr. Roy Street from Organization for International Development is here. And of course, JAHJAH Foundation, Dr. Trevor. I'm telling you, last year when I went to the Diaspora Conference, or anywhere that I go to speak, JAHJAH Foundation is one of the model organizations that represent volunteerism in Jamaica. A round of applause for JAHJAH. There are several events going on tonight, and persons have to share their time. But I want you to know that your choice and your dollars here tonight are well spent. We know, sometimes we try to figure out, I wonder where the money going when you go someplace. But this one, I can attest to it. I know, at least we know that your money is well spent with JAHJAH's various projects in Jamaica. I'm going to ask you that next year, please bring everyone out. I'm sure there will be other events. And whenever you hear JAHJAH Foundation, please come out. You don't have to also wait for an event. You can go to their website and make donations. Medical missions are very costly. The volunteers pay their own way. And I'm sure Dr. Dixon has to spend money to buy all the different equipment and supplies and accommodations. And you know the people in Jamaica benefit from it. All right, the government alone cannot do it. Group like JAHJAH Foundation is needed. And I thank you very much for being here. And I know that I could